of powers and exponents. The objective of this activity is to find the value of 2 raised to the power 5. The materials required for this activity are a paper, pencil and a ruler. Now, let us start the activity. Fold the paper horizontally from the middle. And now unfold it. Observe the paper. First fold, 2 raised to the power 1 is equal to 2. There are 2 parts. Now that we understood that 2 raised to the power 1 is equal to 2, let us make another fold and then unfold it. There are 4 parts, which means 2 raised to the power 2 is equal to 4. Let us repeat the same process again and fold it another time. Unfold and observe the paper. There are 8 parts, which means 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 8. Now we'll make another 4th fold and observe. There are 16 parts,